Hello, my fellow gnomes. How are you all doing? So not a tutorial today, but something a little bit different looking at my website. Hello, my fellow gnomes, as you see here, the new home of GnomeCode. So this is something I've been putting quite a bit of work into over, well, kind of the last month, but going on for a little while. I have had a website for a long time, but it was well due an update, and here it is. So if you're wanting information on my tutorials, well, here they are. You go to the tutorial section, you can see all of the stuff I've made on my channel. There's doors. We need some updates for that. But if we go to tower defense, for instance, well, we've got everything laid out. You've got all the videos here. You've got a demo game, and we've got loads of help information as well, because that's partly why this website exists, is to help you guys, as with all of my tutorials. So if you have an issue, say with your animations, well, you can go right here and look, we've got 5 common issues and solutions. And we've got some code samples. We've even got some images and such like. Well, somewhere we've got some images in here, but we've got lots and lots of info to try and help you with your tutorial. And failing that, we've got all of the downloads available down here. So we've got a download for every single episode that was in that series, all right here on the tutorials tower defense page. Now you will actually have to verify your email account. Yeah, we've got an account system on here. So if I just log out quickly and we go back to that page, it'll look like this. But all you need to do is just sign up, create a quick account. Like so, we just sign in and there you go, you get access to it. Pretty easy. And if I look on the dashboard, we can see almost 1,500 people have already created an account, which is pretty cool. Not many verified. That was because we had a bit of an issue with our email server. So many of you guys signed up for an account when I published the Teddy kit down here that you blocked me from the email server, which wasn't great. But we're back up and running now with some slightly higher thresholds, so we should be okay. And the email verification thing, if you're wondering, is I just wanting to build up a bit of a sort of bulwark here on the web, you know, away from the Discord or the YouTube channel, just to have our own little space online, the home of GnomeCode at gnome.codes. So yeah, come and check us out. We've got loads of tutorial information. We've got games. We've got all my games, Teddy, and 2 other variants of Teddy, which teaser for an upcoming video if you want to know about how I made those and what that's all about. There's a community section on here too, which is frankly why this website exists. It's why I'm here. It's what this is all about. And some of you guys might even be able to recognize yourself in this banner image here. Now, having said that about trying to be independent from social media, I am, of course, pointing everyone back to the Discord because that's where we've got most things going on at the moment. We've got information on all our past Gnome Jams. Somebody pointed out that we were actually missing the live jam. So this is Gnome Jam number 8 that we're running right now, the random jam. And we go on here, we can see information. And if you're watching this before the 25th of August, then this is still ongoing. The deadline is coming up. The submission link is now available. So make sure you get your game in if you haven't already. But if you wanted to look at previous years, you can see we can browse all the various entries and so on. So that's the website we have at the moment. Just kind of wanted you guys to be aware of it. I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know if you would have sort of ideas for directions you'd like the site to go in. You know, it's been a bit of a labor of love just putting this website together. I built it all from scratch. If you're interested in maybe like web development type stuff on the channel, then that's something we could definitely explore. Let me know if you're interested in web dev, and maybe that could be an upcoming video. But anyway, here is gnome.codes, the home of GnomeCode. Check out the website, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!